Alright guys, today I'm going to do an unboxing on the DJI Mini 2. I bought this thing off of Amazon, the Renewed store, Amazon Renewed store. I think I got $50 off. It was $50 off around. Yeah, this is the Fly More package. It comes with extra batteries, and well, let me just open it up so you guys can see. Okay. Empty. Nice bag to strap. Feel good and thick and heavy. Waterproof bag. Nice bag. I don't think I'm going to use this bag though, because it's not big enough to carry the stuff that I'm going to use. Alright, let's see what's in here. See, my director's over here acting retarded. She's holding up signs for me to say, if you guys like this video, like, comment, and subscribe. So I'm going to do that right now. Take a minute. Like, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay? Back to the video. Okay, it comes with a charger. Well, this is the charger. This is a nice brick. It's got to be a fast charger. Comes with manuals. You know what we guys do with manuals, right? Instructions and some more instructions and warranties, and yeah. Okay, I bought the Fly More package because it came with 3 batteries. Because if you're going out to fly, if one battery is only like 25 minutes, what fun is that? So I bought extra batteries. Came with a nice charger. This charger is not, it's good, but it only charges 1 battery at a time. So, yeah, you're going to have to charge all night. Yeah. Came with the remote. Phone holder. It comes with the cable to plug in your phone. On the bottom has the little knobs for, you know, and you can just stick your phone in here. And on the charger, on the controller, it has cinematic mode, normal mode, and sport mode. I never use sport mode because I don't need to fly that fast. Yeah, I'm going to do a lot of videos and pictures with this thing. We'll see. That'll be the next video. What else? The drone. Well, actually, before the drone, it came with a lot of extra wings, propellers, and it came with some extra knobs, and a screwdriver. The screwdriver's somewhere, but it came with a little screwdriver for these. And the drone itself. Well, actually, I took it out the bag already, so yeah. It has a little glass case to go over the lens, the camera. Has a nice little strap to hold the wings in place. Take it off like so. Because without it, the wings are just flapping around. breaking up everything. And you open it, top wings first. And these you push down and out. There you have it. I think I'm gonna buy some landing gear, so it don't have to land flat. It'll land like so. And it's 2.49 grams, I think, so I don't have to register it. It comes with a SD card slot. You can charge here as well, one battery. On and off switch on the bottom. Yeah. So let me show you what else I bought some accessories to go with these things. Well, first, the batteries. Like I said, I bought 3 batteries, came with it. But if you're going out on a date to fly, you're gonna need some more batteries. I bought 4 more batteries. These batteries are the DJI Mini, the first one, batteries. I think I got these off of Amazon. I bought 4 batteries for $80. Well, you know, one of these batteries cost $55, so I bought 4. These are only like 18-minute batteries. But if you're out all day, why not? I bought the ND filters from Amazon, of course. These filters go over the lens. Well, you guys know they go over the lens to keep the color in the sun. You know, they filters, yeah. I bought a microphone, a lav mic to go into my phone. If you're recording your videos, you need a lav mic. I'm gonna do a review on this as well. Well, actually, I'm gonna do a review on the ND filters. Like I said, the batteries are only like, these are only 18 minutes, like so. I don't need to do a review on those. Well, maybe I will. This is something really good I bought. A neck strap. This thing fits down, because when you're flying all day, sometimes you're just tired of holding this controller. You got a neck strap. Just let it go. It'll hang right there. I love this thing. But I think the best thing I bought, this little case. The drone fits right in there. I don't need to strap it down. Fold it up when I'm finished. It fits right in. There you go. You can bang it up, drop it. Your thing is protected. And this fits in my camera bag. Well, my camera bag is going to be a whole other video now. And right now, I guess that's my unboxing. Next thing will be the review. My director's over here. She's throwing her hands up like this was a crappy video. Again, what do you guys think? Like, comment, and subscribe. Hit me up down below. Let me know what's going on. Tell me if you want to see the review or you want to see some pictures. Anyway, she's giving me the wrap it up sign. So, peace. Again, like, comment, and subscribe if you dig this video. Thanks.